Buyers, I've got a list of 5 items that are going to help you nail down your new dream home. First and foremost, get solid financing. Make sure all of your financing is set up before you go in to make the offer. 2, you want to have the earnest money available and also understand your deadlines. You want to reduce any deadlines that you can comfortably reduce because that makes your offer stand out from the crowd. You also want to reduce any contingencies that you can have, like a home sale contingency, a financing contingency, appraisal contingency, inspection contingency. Any contingency that you can reduce will help your odds of getting approved for or getting your offer accepted. 3, know what you are signing. I know this sounds obvious, but know what you are signing and the repercussions of what rights you might be giving away. Buyer's remorse is much higher than it used to be, and that's because buyers are having to give up a lot more of their rights because it's a seller's market. So 3, make sure you just know what you're doing. 4, earnest money. Make sure you protect it and you know your deadlines and your rights for when you can do your due diligence. Right. 5, and probably the most important, is you want a competent CMA, a competitive market analysis. You want to know the value of that house you are buying. List price means nothing nowadays. They can be low, they can be high. You want to make sure your agent gives you a competent CMA so you know what your house is worth, and that's what you're offering. No more, no less.